right, so this is a little my POV, what I'm thinking about on gold, what I'm seeing on my side, and a lot of the charts have different, I think it's the brokers like they have different, like the charts look slightly similar or slightly different. Yeah, so like this, we have this gap here on this side, but the other, this is also the same gold, but there's no gap. You see, there's no gap on this side right now. There's just sometimes the charts are kind of weird a little bit. So I'm gonna use this. Okay. So what am I seeing on gold? I'm seeing this. So we still have this zone right here where price, there's a huge level of buyers right here. Price rejected here a bunch of times, but whenever it came here, bought. So we get the idea. And then on the 4-hour, we did have that indication, correction, continuation. And another indication, correction. We're on that continuation, and then stuff have started to change, right? So let me just mark out these zones real quick. What I'm seeing right now on the charts. So I know this is how it's looking, right? And once price is able to go above, the trend line, the trend, we could see the prices actually, changing trends. That's what we could see. So we have this right here, price rejected from this zone, and then we also have another support right here. So prices started creating higher levels of support, telling us that we could continue bullish. Why am I saying that? The 4-hour, we can see it, but it's not really that clear that much. And I'll say this, there was a support here that was changed into resistance. It was interchanged a couple of times. That's this zone right here. That's what gave us the indication, correction, and then a continuation, right? Before it changed. But this is an important zone because it's been tested a bunch of times. So the buyers take control, the sellers take control, the buyers take. So, price has a little power struggle right there. And I'm going to 1-hour, make it clear a little bit. Yeah. So let's do what's going on right now. So around this zone right here, this is a little lower high, which price broke through. Gave us an indication above that lower high, a correction, and a continuation. It just touched the line. It's rejecting a little bit. So what am I looking for price to do? Just shove this up here a little bit. So now that we have this zone, another zone, what's going on? Another zone right here. We could get another indication, correction, and a continuation. Once price crosses this trend line, we could, okay, no, we are actually bullish now. But if price were to, reject from this side and then give us a little lower high and break this right here, I'll now consider another correction for sells further downwards. But right now it's looking bullish. So this is what I'm looking for. Something like this. It doesn't have to be exact. This is just an example. Something like this, like a scenario or something. I don't know how to say it. So then I'll start looking towards price to get to these zones right about here. Then we could start, and then this major zone right here. But right now, gold is looking kind of bullish right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. So that's what I'm looking at. I mean, even if we were to start a little trend line from here, we could see that price obviously it's looking a little bit bullish right now. So let's see how it goes.